Good evening. Tonight on the video, we're going to learn good morning, good evening, good afternoon, as I mentioned on the previous video that we had. And to say good morning, that's magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. And tanghali, when you go and visit your friends or relatives at noontime or at lunchtime, you say magandang tanghali. And as I said on the previous video, morning is umaga, and lunchtime or noontime is tanghali, and afternoon is hapon, and evening is gabi. And tanghali, that's magandang tanghali, that's a greeting that you say during lunchtime or noontime. Good morning is magandang umaga. Magandang tanghali is during noontime or lunchtime, and in the afternoon, good afternoon, you say magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. And in the evening, you say magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Also, to say good day, you say magandang araw. Magandang araw. Those are the words we have for today, for tonight. Let's do a quick review. Good morning is magandang umaga. Magandang tanghali, that's during lunchtime or noontime. And good afternoon, that's magandang hapon. And in the evening, you say magandang gabi, to say good evening. And to say good day or to greet someone a good day, you say magandang araw. That's it for tonight. Good night. Bye-bye.